Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting my work on developing a teacher-centric approach to strengthen AI on Edge education in the Philippines. This research aims to address critical educational gaps and propose a robust curriculum framework tailored for educators and students. I am Eduardo Jr. Piedad. I'm from the DOST Advanced Science and Technology Institute. I am a research fellow on AI or artificial intelligence. This presentation is structured to take you from understanding the context and objectives of the study to the key findings, recommendations, and conclusions. The Philippine education sector struggles with outdated systems and a lack of resources. AI on edge technologies can address these challenges, especially in the context of the fourth industrial revolution, as emphasized by Briones in 2019. Initiatives like BEDP 2030 underline the importance of digital literacy and curriculum reform. However, there are still gaps in aligning educational content with industry needs, as pointed out by Young 2022. The study aims to address these challenges by focusing on teacher-centric strategies supported by frameworks from Chu and Chai. So the major objective is to develop a curriculum to empower educators and students. The study investigates key areas of application, educators' readiness, and the resources needed for effective AI on edge education. So we have three research questions here. The first one is what are the priority areas or fields for AI on edge applications? This is important in order to align the respective challenges, respective assessments, projects, etc. Number two, what are educators' current experience and confidence levels? So, whenever we align or forecast or future thinking, we have to know where we are currently and to know and to be grounded with our decisions. And lastly, what resources and pedagogical strategies are essential? So our basis is addressing curriculum gaps. We focus on the teacher training and resource needs, alignment with the industry and academic priorities. And our goal is to bridge education gaps with practical solutions. We design a survey to capture educators' demographics, skill levels, and confidence in teaching AI on Edge, providing data to shape curriculum framework. As you can see, here we have the 50 educators from 25 institutions. Their fields of expertise cover um, the whole field of ICT and engineering. So our data collection is a structured questionnaire. We integrate literature insights, descriptive statistics to analyze the trends, and curriculum development framework for recommendation. So the demographics, majority age 26 to 35, and the youthful demographic, well versed in technology. We predominantly master's degree holders, which is good, and that means that for teaching or faculty, it is actually required to have masters in the long run. Although some uh, are taking their masters or going as required by the law. So that if you want to teach as a regular, so you are given 3 years to finish your master's degree in the Philippines. So we focus on regions with advanced tech initiatives and alignment with the relevance is to align with the national education. Although educators have theoretical expertise, there's a clear need for curriculum elements that provide practical experience in AI on edge, expertise in machine learning statistics, gaps in AI implementation, limited confidence in hands-on training, practical experience, highly desired by educators, need for real-world projects, and to focus on strengthening practical skills. High impact fields, so based on the survey, agriculture and disaster mitigation. So in the Philippines, every year, 20 typhoons visit on average. So emerging areas, smart cities, energy systems align with the national challenges relevant to industry needs, integrated into curriculum modules and practical projects for real-world aligned. Educators identified limited access to resources and hardware as major barriers. Addressing these gaps is key to implementing a successful curriculum. So limited hardware availability, gaps in training modules and manuals, essential device features like cost and compatibility. There's also institutional challenges such as funding and access to relevant software and other materials. Recommendation: it should have a good partnership with tech providers and to have a centralized online repository, especially when there's an emergency and disaster. So there can be like hybrid uh, strategies. These recommendations aim to address identified gaps, focusing on practical training resource accessibility and alignment with industry needs. So our recommendation is to develop hands-on training modules aligned with curriculum with high demand fields, provide access to essential hardware, integrate real-world applications, strengthen partnership with industries, regular updates to curriculum content, and lastly, continuous professional development for educators. So the action plan is to design labs on hands-on AI on edge training. Also to foster industry academic partnerships, establish AI on edge laboratories in universities, implement educator training programs, develop project-based learning modules, create online repository, and lastly, continuous review and feedback. These action plans is highly dependent on each institution and because each institution has their initial and common grounds and so one plan may be less priority to another institution. In conclusion, a comprehensive AI on Edge curriculum will surely empower Philippine educators and students. It could address critical gaps in skills and resources, addressing the literature that highlights the critical gaps. And this aligns with industry needs and national priorities such as the agriculture and disaster and risk mitigation, offers transformative opportunities for educators and students. And practical implementation, such as hands-on training, is a key to success. And continuous improvement ensures future relevance. And lastly, collaborative efforts between stakeholders are necessary. With this, thank you so much for listening.